Imagine being chased by a predator when suddenly, boom, you shoot blood from your eyes to escape. Sounds like a sci-fi movie, but for one desert-dwelling lizard, it's just another day trying not to get eaten. Wait, did we say lizard? Nope, because nature's got something even weirder. The horned lizard doesn't just shoot blood, it aims for the mouth of its attacker. When threatened, this little desert warrior increases blood pressure in its head so intensely that its eye vessels burst, spraying foul-tasting blood into the predator's face. Coyotes and foxes hate the taste, so they spit the lizard out and run off. And in just seconds, our spiky hero scurries away unharmed. Talk about a revolting but effective escape tactic. What's the craziest animal defense you've heard of? Drop it in the comments, we might feature it next.